Are you able to see the screen? I'm not able to your voice.
So visible, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So in the last class, we have discussed about that two-dimensional heat equation in polar coordinates. So here there are two types of the equations given. One is steady state equation, one more is unsteady state equation. And what is the condition for steady state? Okay, given in the class, and then we have discussed what are the possible solutions. So we are discussing the problems in semicircular plate. We're discussing the problems in semicircular plate. So next problem, also one problem in semicircular plate only. Write the problem. Semicircular plate semicircular plate of radius 10 centimeter has insulated faces. Has insulated faces and the heat flows in plane cuts. In plane cuts. The bounding diameter is bounding diameter is maintained at 0 degree C and on the circumference and on the circumference the temperature distribution is temperature distribution is u of 10 comma theta u of 10 comma theta equal to 400 by 5 into 5 theta minus theta square in 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 5. Determine the temperature distribution. Determine the temperature distribution u of r comma theta in the steady state. In the steady state. Okay. So we can see that the above example. You can see the above example. What is the above example here? What is f of theta? So u of a comma theta is f of theta, is it not? F of theta, and then put the f of theta. So what are the boundary conditions? Same boundary conditions we can write. Same boundary conditions we can write. That is u of r comma theta equal to 0. Write that. The boundary conditions are u of r comma theta equal to 0. U of r comma pi equal to 0. And then u of only one difference is there. A equal to 10. So here A is there, na? A equal to 10. And instead of f of theta, you have to write 400 by pi into pi theta minus theta square. So substituting A equal to 10, and then u of a comma theta equal to, what is the value? 400 by pi. 400 by pi into pi theta minus theta square. Theta square. So only one change is there. The other steps are same. Other steps are same. Up to what step you have to write? After applying the boundary condition 2, you are getting that after applying the boundary condition 2, this one, u of r comma theta equal to, this one you have to write. After applying boundary condition 1 and 2, write down. First you have to write the boundary condition, then you have to write the, so first you have to, what is the step 1? You have to write the boundary conditions. Okay, that is step 1. Step 2 is applying boundary condition 1 and 2. Okay, don't simply write that boundary conditions. You have to note down. You have to write once again. Already you are having notes, na? Please write that boundary conditions again. Boundary conditions, applying boundary conditions 1 and 2. So after applying the boundary condition 2, you are getting that f of theta, u of r comma theta equal to, u of r comma theta equal to, what is the final value? What is the final equation we are getting? Applying that u of r comma theta, this one, summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n r power n, a n r power n. So summation of n equal to 1 to infinity can you tell me that summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n r power n, a n r power n sin n theta. So this is the solution after applying the boundary condition 1 and 2. Okay, so substituting, that means applying the boundary condition, applying the boundary condition 3, applying the boundary condition 3 in this equation. So if you are taking this as equation number 1, applying the boundary condition 3 in 1, what you get? U of substituting a equal to 10 here, u of 10 comma theta equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n. So here a n r power n is there, na? It's not small a n, it is capital A n actually. Nobody is a n r power n sin n theta. So you take that a n r power n equal to some bn value. Okay, so we can write here, either you can write bn, small bn, or capital Bn, not the capital Bn sin n theta, which is the half-range Fourier sine series. Which is the half-range Fourier sine series, where Bn equal to what? Bn equal to 2 by pi integral over 0 to pi f of theta sin n theta d theta. So what is f of theta here? 400 by pi, substitute integral over 0 to pi 400 by pi, f of theta is 400 by pi, pi theta minus theta square, pi theta minus theta square sin n theta d theta, sin n theta d theta. Okay, so here you take this as u, this as dv. What is Bernoulli's formula? U dv, uv minus u dash v1. Okay, write down, that is equal to 800 by pi square, 800 by pi square, keep it u, pi theta minus theta square, integration of sine is minus cos n theta by n, minus differentiation of this pi theta minus theta square is pi minus 2 theta, pi minus 2 theta, integration of minus cos is minus sine n theta by n square. Okay, close it. Then alternate minus plus na, plus differentiation of pi minus 2 theta is minus 2, integration of minus sine is plus cos n theta by n cube, 0 to pi. If you are substituting 0 to pi, what happened? Theta equal to pi means pi square minus pi square, and then even substituting 0 also, that is 0. So first time it's 0. In that interval of 0 to pi, automatically the sine term is 0. Sine term is 0. So only remaining minus 2 cos n theta by n cube is there. That is equal to 800 by pi square. Substituting 0 and pi there. So 2 by n cube is there. 2 by n cube, minus is there. Minus 2 by n cube cos n pi minus cos 0. Cos 0. So what is cos 0? 1. Cos 0 is 1. Cos n pi is minus 1 whole power n. Therefore, you can multiply with minus here. 800 means 1600 by pi square n cube. Pi square n cube. 1 minus 1 whole power n. So this is the value of Bn. So Bn equal to 0 when n is even. If it is odd, 3200 by pi square n cube. If n is odd. Okay, so what is the value of final u of r comma theta? So u of r comma theta equal to 3200 by pi square, 3200 by pi square, summation of n equal to odd value, 1 by n cube, 1 by n cube. Then see that we recruit that an, where I write that an here. Okay. So here I am writing that EAN R power n equal to Bn. I took. So we are finding that Bn only. But what is we record that EAN. So we have to substitute the value here. R by 10. So R by 10 whole power m sin n theta is the final answer. Next problem. Find the steady state temperature find the steady state temperature in a circular plate of radius A which has one of its circumference of its circumference at 0 degree C at 0 degree C and the other of and the other of at the A degree C where K is not equal to 0. Okay, so here how can we find the answer for this? Find the steady state temperature in a circular plate. Last one is semicircular plate, na? Here circular plate. First we have to. So please note down that in case if it is given the problem, any problem may be given, we have to write the boundary conditions or initial conditions. So it is one important MCQ for the semicircular plate or circular plate or quadrilateral plate, whatever it may be. Problem will be given. We have to identify the initial condition or boundary condition. Okay. This is the diameter, rounding diameter. Center point is O. Okay. So one of is maintained at 0 degree C. One of is maintained at A degree C. And then any point P is R comma theta. Any point on the circular plate is P of R comma theta. So what is the problem here? The bounding diameter which bisects the plate into two equal parts may be taken as initial line. So it is the initial line. Is the initial line. Initial line is what here? X-axis. X-axis is the initial line. So what are the boundary conditions? Write down. Boundary conditions are u of a comma theta. What is u of a comma theta? A is the radius, na? Is it not? Find the steady state temperature in the circular plate of radius a. So what is the radius here? A is the radius. U of a comma theta is k when u of a comma theta is k, where 0 less than theta less than pi. So theta is from 0 to pi. So it is start from theta equal to 0 here, theta equal to pi here. Okay. One more of is pi to 2 pi. So u of a comma theta equal to 0 if pi less than theta less than 2 pi. This is one important MCQ. Also, when r tends to 0, u is finite. Okay. So you can see that the solution must be periodic. Must be periodic. So what is the period here? What is the period here? Period is 2 pi in theta. What is the temperature function u of r comma theta? U of r comma theta. Yesterday we have derived a r power lambda plus b r power minus lambda c cos lambda theta plus d sin lambda theta. See, actually three possible solutions are there. Out of three possible solutions, you have to choose only one suitable solution. So this only contains that trigonometric function. Therefore, we have to choose this as a suitable solution. Fine. It is equation number 1. Here already given that u is finite when r tends to 0. U is finite when r tends to 0. When r tends to 0, u is finite means already r tends to 0 means, so here you can take that b equal to 0. B equal to 0. We are applying the first boundary condition and the second boundary condition. What is the solution? u of r comma theta equal to, when b equal to 0, what happen? A r power lambda c cos lambda theta plus c sin lambda theta. So after applying the one more boundary condition, you know that when we are applying the first boundary condition, b equal to 0. Second boundary condition, lambda equal to n. I have shown in that first problem. Okay, I'm not doing that for that every problem. So in the first problem, already I have done that. When you are applying the boundary condition 1 and 2, you are getting that. See, here lambda equal to n. Okay. So here when u tends to 0, as so here we are taking that b equal to, sorry, here we are taking c equal to 0. This finite okay, circular plate. Now we will see how the problem will come. Other problems. When lambda equal to n, what is u of r comma theta? U of r comma theta equal to, we can combine with that a and c. AC is an, AD is there. AD equal to some bn, you can take it there. Then this equation will become lambda equal to n. So r power n, an cos n theta plus bn sin n theta. Therefore, the most general solution is, what is the general solution? We also write that summation. Therefore, the most general solution is u of r comma theta equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity r power n an cos n theta plus pn sin n theta. And one more thing here, only sign is there, you can write from that n equal to 1 to infinity. If it is cos is there, you have to write from n equal to 0 to infinity. So that is equal to, now we can write this as a naught, because if you are substituting n equal to 0, this this will be that a naught, and then cos n theta, n equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. So a naught plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity r power n an cos n theta pn sin n theta. So what is this? This is a full range Fourier series. What is the difference between half range and full range series? It is one important MCQ. When the series is said to be that, when the Fourier series is said to be that full range Fourier series, when the Fourier series is said to be the half range Fourier series. Already I explained in the class.
So in full range Fourier series, sine term and cos term will be there, sir. In half
Will
range
be
Fourier
there.
series, either sine
Okay.
term or cos term.
Okay, correct. Then one more important thing is there. Your answer is correct. But one more important term is there for the full range Fourier series and half range Fourier series.
Sir, for full range, 1 by L
Yes,
will
yes.
come and half range 2 by L will come.
That is formula. That is formula. Your point also, one more point is correct. I want one more uh, exact answer I need. Your trying is good, correct only. But one more important thing is there. If the interval is 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2L, that is a full range Fourier series. If it is that, that means 360 degree. Listen, for the semicircular plate, we have done the top range Fourier series. For the circular plate, we are doing that full range Fourier series. That is the difference. 0 to pi or 0 to L. Half range Fourier. Even you can listen, that means from the top one dimensional wave equation, one dimensional ET equation also 0 to L is the 0 to L is the interval. 0 to L is the interval. So when the 0 to L is the interval or 0 to pi is the interval, then we have to get the solution in terms of half range Fourier sine series. It will not come half range Fourier cosine series, only half range Fourier sine series. Okay, that is one important point. 0 to 2 pi or 0 to 2L is there. Okay, then the Fourier series is that half range, sorry, full range Fourier series. That is one important MCQ. What is A naught formula? A naught is 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of theta d theta. In 0 to f of theta is 0 to pi k, pi to 2 pi 0 na, so 1 by pi, only you have to write 0 to pi k d theta. Is it not? So what is the value of this? Work out that. What is the answer for this? Why you are taking this much of time? What is the answer for this? One by pi k theta 0 to pi. So will you use k na? As for Fourier series, the first term is not a naught. A naught by 2. So the first term will become a by 2. Okay, fine. So that is u of r comma theta. We are going to get. Okay, we are going to get that u of r comma theta, but we have to apply that u of a comma theta. That is a boundary condition actually. U of a comma theta is k. We are not doing for u of r comma theta. We have to find that, apply the Fourier series for that u of a comma theta only. So you have to add that one sentence here. I will write here, applying the or substituting r equal to a. We are getting, that is in middle you have to add. So in the place you have to add, substituting r equal to a, we are getting u of a comma theta, u of a comma theta equal to a naught plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a power n, because r power n is there na, substituting r equal to a power n a n cos n theta plus bn sin n theta. So this can be written as a naught plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a power n, a n is there na, that can be written as a n cos n theta, a power n bn is there na, that we can write as bn sin n theta. Now we have to find that a naught and a n bn. But that first term generally it is not a naught actually. For the Fourier series, a naught by 2. So please correct it. You will get that a naught is k. Anyway, if you are doing the like this, a naught is k. First term is k by 2. Fine. What is the next step? Next we have to find this an and bn. So how can we find that an and bn? Write down an equal to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is the formula cos nx dx. So 1 by pi 0 to pi f of x is k cos nx dx. So that is equal to a by pi integration of cos nx is sin nx minus sin nx by n in that 0 to pi. In that 0 to pi, sin term always 0. So not small a n, capital A n. Capital A n equal to 0. What about bn? Bn is 1 by pi. We can write the 0 to pi directly, we can write a sin nx. It is not x, na? It is theta. So in the cos also you have to write theta. It's not x. So 1 by pi, k take it outside, k by pi, sin is cos minus cos n theta by n from 0 to pi. Therefore, you can write this as k by pi n, k by pi n 1 minus 1 whole power n. So what is the value of an? Sorry, bn. Bn equal to 0 if n is even 2k by pi n 2k by pi n if n is odd. If n is odd. So what should be the final answer? U of r comma theta. U of r comma theta equal to a by 2 plus 2k by pi summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n, not n equal to 1 to infinity, n is odd, no? N is odd. 1 by n r by a whole power n sin n theta. The answer. கவின், உன்னோட கூகுள் டிரைவுக்கு வருதுப்பா. அப்புறம் ஷேர் பண்ணு.